Today I am going to discuss molecular term symbol. This is most important for CSIR NET GATE. So please don't skip the video. We know the molecular orbital diagram less than 14 molecular weight. We know this is sigma 1s, sigma 2s, sigma 1 star, sigma 2s, sigma 2 star, pi 2p y equal to pi 2p z, sigma 2p x, pi star 2p y equal to pi star 2pz, sigma star 2px. All over we know. But greater than 14, we know sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and this sigma first sigma 2px, pi 2py equal to pi 2pz, and pi star 2py equal to pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px. All over we know. But in case of molecular term, all sigma bonding, all sigma bonding are Girardet. Girardet means having center of symmetry. So this is G, subscript G, and all sigma anti-bonding are ungirarded and no center of symmetry. This is U subscript. And reverse, pi bonding, all pi bonding are ungirarded, that is U, and all pi anti-bonding are Girardet. This is G. So sigma bonding are G and sigma anti-bonding are U, and reverse, pi bonding U, pi anti-bonding G. So substituted this to less than 14 molecular weight. So this is sigma 1 sigma, this is bonding, so 1 sigma G, bonding orbital G, and 1, this is anti-bonding, so 1 sigma U, and similarly 2 sigma G, 2 sigma U, and pi. This pi is bonding, so bonding we know this is U, so pi U, and sigma, this is bonding, so sigma G, and pi U equal to pi U and sigma U. This is anti-bonding. And similarly greater than 14, this is sigma 1 sigma G, 1 sigma U, 2 sigma G, 2 sigma U, and this is 3, and 3 sigma G, and pi U equal to pi U, and pi, this is G because this is anti-bonding orbital, so this is G, so pi G equal to pi G, and this is 3 sigma U. Molecular term symbol, this molecular term symbol, the formula is 2s plus 1 lambda G or U, where lambda value is 0, so this is sigma, where lambda value 1, this is pi, 2, this is delta, and 3, this is phi. This is spectroscopic state. Second, G into G equal to G, U into U, this is G, and G into U or U into G, this is equal to U, this value, subscript value. And third, if lambda equal to 0, then the spectroscopic term sigma. This sigma, in case of sigma, then the molecular term will be changed. This is 2s plus 1 sigma G or U plus or minus. this plus or minus included. If plus or minus depends on 2s plus 1 value. If 2s plus 1 equal to 3, then minus sign, and 2s plus 1 value equal to 1. If 2s plus 1 value equal to 1, then plus sign. Valence shell electron present in sigma orbital, sigma bonding orbital or anti-bonding orbital, then this value, this plus or minus value, always positive, always plus, and this is this 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity value, this s value equal to n into half. We know this n equal to number of unpaired electron, So rule 1, first calculate lambda value 0, so this is sigma 1 pi 2 delta 3 5, and then value g or u, or either g or u. First calculate g into g equal to g, u into u equal to g, and another to u. And third, epsilon the lambda value equal to 0, then the sigma. So this is the molecular term symbol, the change, the 2s plus 1 sigma g or u plus or minus. This plus or minus depend on 2s plus 1. The 2s plus 1 equal to 3, then minus 1 equal 1, and plus. The valence shell electron in sigma orbital always plus sign, and s will be calculated. Then I will discuss some question. In case of C2 total electron 12. So this is less than equal to 14. So 1 sigma G2, 1 sigma U2, 2 sigma G2, 2 sigma U2, and pi U2 equal to pi U2. So we calculate the molecular term only, valence shell electron C. So first calculate lambda value. Lambda equal to, first this value is plus 1, and remember this value is plus 1 and second minus 1. Pi 1 is plus 1 and another is minus 1. So lambda value calculate. First plus 1, how many electron? 2 electron, plus into 2, plus minus 1, how many electron? 2 electron, into 2, equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 0 equal to sigma. So molecular term symbol change. This is 2s plus 1 sigma, this sigma g or u plus or minus, and calculate s value. S equal to, there is no unpaired electron because pi this and this 2 electron, so all are paired, so there is no unpaired electron. So 0 into half equal to 0. So 2s plus 1 equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So we know 2s plus 1 value 1. So this is plus, indicate plus. So and another is g or u. This is pi 2 electron and pi 2 electron, and u and u. So u into u, this 2 electron, u into u, into then u into u. 2 electron, 1 u and 1 u. We know 2 u multiplied g and 2 u multiplied g. So this is all over g into g, all over g. So the molecular term symbol is 2s plus 1 value 1. So 1 sigma, this is g and plus. So C2 molecular term symbol 1 sigma g plus. Helium 2 positive, there is 3 electron. So 1 sigma G2, 1 sigma U1. So we calculate valence shell electron. So sigma having 0, pi having plus 1 or minus 1, sigma 0. So 1 electron, this. So lambda value equal to 0 into 1 electron. So 1 equal to 0. So 0 the spectroscopic term sigma, and molecular term symbol equal to 2s plus 1 sigma g or u plus or minus. This plus or minus indicate on, we know this sigma electron always plus, and s value calculate. S equal to 1 unpaired electron, 1 into half, so half, and 2s plus 1 equal to 2 into half plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 sigma G or U calculated. This is one electron, only U. So this is U, and plus this is the spectroscopic term O2. This is 16 electron. So greater than 14 rule. So 1 sigma G2, 1 sigma U2, 2 sigma G2, 2 sigma U2, 3 sigma G2, pi U2, pi U2, and pi G1 equal to pi G1. So first, this is first molecular term, valency electron. So this part, this is pi sigma G1 equal to pi sigma pi G1. So one part is plus 1, another part minus 1. So lambda equal to plus 1 into 1 electron plus minus 1 into 1 electron. So this is plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is sigma. So molecular term symbol equal to 2s plus 1 sigma G or U plus or minus. Check G value. We know G 1 electron, so G into G equal to G, and then check S value. S, suppose one is up spin and another is up spin. So S1 equal to plus up and S2 equal to plus up. So S equal to S1 plus S2 equal to plus half equal to 1. So 2S plus 1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So one spectroscopic term is 3, 2S plus 1 value 3, and sigma, this is G, and plus or minus, we know 2S plus 1 value 3, so this is minus. So 1 is, this is the spectroscopic term 1. Another, suppose pi G up spin and another pi G down spin. So one S1 equal to plus half and another S2 equal to minus half. So S equal to S1 plus S2. So half minus half equal to 0. So 2S plus 1 equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So we know 2S plus 1 value 1. So this is plus indicate plus. So 1 sigma G plus another molecular term symbol. Suppose pi G 2 and pi G 0. Suppose one pi G orbital having 2 electron. So calculate, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. First I draw. So lambda equal to plus 1 into 2 electron, 2 equal to 2. We know 2, the spectroscopic term is delta. The spectroscopic term delta. And S equal to, there is no unpaired electron, so 0 into half equal to 0. So 2S plus 1 equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and G and into 2 electron G into G, so G. So the term molecular term symbol is 2. This is 2S plus 1 delta G or U, not plus or minus because the sigma is not there. So 2S plus 1 value 1. So 1 delta, this is G. So 3 term I will draw. And energy order, these 3 term. Energy order in 3 terms. Energy order. First, we check 2S plus 1 value. 2S plus 1 value is high, then this is lowest energy or ground state energy. Second, check if 2S plus 1 value same, then check this lambda value. This lambda value high. If lambda value high, this is lowest energy. Second lowest energy. So first check 3 sigma G minus and 1 sigma G plus and 1 delta G. First check 2S plus 1 value. So this is highest value. So this is lowest energy. This is 3 sigma G minus lowest energy. Then check 2S plus 1 value same. Then check lambda value. In lambda value, this is lambda value high. So this is second lowest energy 1 delta G, and this is highest energy 1 epsilon G plus. Energy order, so 3 sigma G minus, then 1 delta G, then 1 sigma G plus. This is energy. So this is ground state energy, this is first excited state energy, and this is second excited state energy. Excited state energy. Electronic transition and some previous year question, molecular term symbol and electronic transition. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.